Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I turn an old weave into this cute wig. Do you have an old weave you want to trash? Please don't. I'll show you why in this video. So guys, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so here I'm sewing down my closure onto the wig cap. I already attached my closure using the pins to secure them properly onto the cap so it don't move while I sew it down, okay? Alright guys, so here I'm done sewing down the closure onto the cap. I already washed the weave. I washed it with water and I shampooed it, conditioned it, and it's looking so nice. Alright, so guys, this is the weave. Alright, the old weave that is looking so ugly, I'll put a clip of it so you see how it was before and how it is now. So moving on to sewing it down onto the cap. This pin makes sewing so easy. All you need to do is just place your weave onto the cap, use the pins to secure them, and then you go on to sew. It is a lifesaver. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. Also turn on the notification bell so you get notified on any of my new uploads. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends, and also comment down below on your thoughts about this week. All right, and also you can comment on whatever, like, if there's any style, any hairstyle you want me to make, or makeup video, whatever it is you want to see next on my channel. Okay, you can go on to let me know. All right, just put it down, good stuff, those good stuffs on the comment section. I would like to watch guys, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so here I'm cutting off the wave. You can do a flip over method if you want, all right, but I'm using this wave permanently as a wig. Okay, so I don't need to use it again on my hair, or like try fixing it over on the hair again. So that's why I'm cutting it off. Like, I want my wig to be flat, like the sides of my wig to be very very flat. Okay, I don't want to have bumps by the sides, due to trying to flip over a weave. All right, but you can flip it over if you don't want your weaves to be cut. Okay, like some people don't like cutting their waves, they just want it, just sew it down like that. But I like cutting my waves because it makes the wig look flat by the sides and beautiful as well. Okay, that's my own preference. Okay, you can do whatever you want. All right, you can do you. Okay, do you sis, do you bro? Alright guys, so I'm done sewing down the weave onto the recap. So here is my spray bottle containing water. I'm going to be adding my leave-in conditioner into it, the conditioning milk to it. So afterwards I'm going to spray it onto the hair. All right, this will make the hair to look nice, you know, the curls in the hair to pop out more, and also it will make it to be soft. So guys, by doing so, you don't need to trash your old weave. You can still use it to create a cute wig that you'll be adding into your wig collections. No weave, especially good weave, it's a waste. Okay, you can still revive it, you can revamp it, and you can make it to look good as a new weave. Actually, this wig is not mine, it's for a client, and yeah, she was really happy when she saw it. She didn't believe it. And I'm happy when my clients are happy. Happy customer, happy me. Alright guys, so this for this video. If you have stayed with me till this moment and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. Like this video, share it to your friends and family, and I'll see you all in my next one. And thank you so much for watching. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Bye.